In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradervue Win Rate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your win rate in Tradervue and how to read the numbers that matter. Start by logging in to Tradervue. This puts you on your dashboard with access to your trading data. Once you're in, go to Trades. This is the central place where your trading history lives and where new trades will appear after you bring them in. Next, import trades from your broker, or add trades manually through the generic import format. If you're importing from a broker, make sure the file you grab includes the complete details of each trade, including entries and exits, so the results will be accurate. If you're entering trades manually with the generic format, follow the required fields carefully and be consistent with symbols, dates, and quantities. Taking a moment here to ensure your data is clean will make your analytics trustworthy later on. After your trades are in, your account now has enough information to calculate your performance. Now, let's find your win rate. Click Reports in the top menu. This takes you from your raw trade list into the analytics side of Tradervue, where you can review performance metrics based on the trades you just imported or entered. Open the Detailed tab. The Detailed view gives you a fuller breakdown than a quick overview, showing metrics that help you evaluate how you're doing over time and across all your trades. Look at the Statistics box. This is your snapshot of performance. Here, you'll see the number of trades, which tells you the total count of completed trades included in your data. You'll also see winning trades, which is how many of those trades closed with a profit, and losing trades, which shows how many closed with a loss. Finally, you'll see win percent, which is your win rate. Win rate is the percentage of your trades that are winners out of your total number of trades. For example, if you had 10 trades and 6 of them were profitable, your win percent would be 60. Use this information to understand your consistency. A higher win rate can be encouraging, but remember that it's one piece of the picture. Consistency in how you record and import trades will keep these numbers accurate. If something looks off, it usually means a trade entry is incomplete or formatted incorrectly, so it's worth reviewing your inputs. That's it. Log in, go to Trades, import or add your trades, then head to Reports, open the Detailed tab, and review the Statistics box to see your win rate clearly.